Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm reviewing the latest in lighting technology for the home. I researched the internet and I found this Govee floor lamp. I reached out and asked them to sponsor this video because I wanted one. This was such an interesting lamp, it didn't need a lampshade. This is RGBICWW Technology. That's red, green, blue integrated circuit, warm white and cool white on this lamp. That this floor lamp has a warm light and a cool light is really a game changer. Warm lights make you look more beautiful, you know, like candles on a table. I'll use a cool light for things like reading or working in the kitchen, and a warm light when there's people around. It warms up the room with atmosphere. I couldn't find any other light in the market that had the distinction in the cool and the warm lights. Beyond that, the RGBICWW technology gives every light on the spectrum, which is 16 million plus super rich colors. Do you see the gradient of how those colors change from one to the next? That's what this technology does. It's a very gradual transition. It's a pure gradient. That means you have an infinite amount of choices just about to lighten the room to any color you want, to fit your mood, your decor, to fit your style. Govee Lyra is also compatible with Alexa app and the Google Home app for however you want to control your lighting. With the control, I'm going to press white, and that's the difference in the lighting. It happened that fast. This makes for a great reading light. It has a brighten switch and a dimming switch. Goes all the way down and all the way up with any color you want. And by pressing the color button, you can get to all those different colors of the rainbow. That's so cool. The adjustable color temperature function makes it so you can switch from among focus and reading and homework. You would use cool light for that, and then the warm yellow light for relaxing illumination. One of my favorite features is also the music sync mode. With that, everything I say, or any music you play, will have the beat to it. I love creating a party atmosphere with the music and the lights acting in sync. All this light comes in one little box. So I got my box, I opened it up, and this is how it's packed. They're very careful because it's delicate technology. So within the big box are the little boxes, and the parts you need are a few in each of those. It even comes with its own Phillips head screwdriver. That was a bonus. Here you see everything that comes in the box. This is all you need to put it together. I'm going to show you here how I put it together, but they even have a really nice video that goes at a much slower pace, so don't worry if you can't follow this along. It was simple and easy, and in 5 minutes I had the whole light together. Putting together the lamp was really easy. There are 3 pieces to the lamp hole, and I lined up those holes and screwed them together. For the bottom, middle, and the top half, and the bottom of the pool fit nicely in the base, and I secured them with 2 screws. And then I installed the silicone strip light, and the wires came in these colors, so I matched the colors. I connected them, I pushed the silicone strip in, a couple inches in the bottom, a couple inches in the top, and then in the middle. Because I wanted to have a really good fit there. That was easy. I put the remote holder lower on the pole. That's where I want to keep my remote. And the remote is magnetic, so you can place it right on top so you don't lose it. And then we just connect the power cord up to it. And then plug it in. Lights on. I've been so into these lights. They're a practical and easy way for me to set the mood for whatever I'm doing. Slender design fits anywhere, even in my dining room corner. Built-in multiple scenes and presenting corresponding lighting effects with one tap on your phone. Govee is a leader in lighting technology, and it certainly has brought a lot of happiness and light to my home. Click the link below to get your Govee Lyra floor lamp. It's amazing. I'm so happy I have these in my house. Lighting is getting better and better. It's so new these days and so fresh. I hope you check it out and try it in your house too. I'm Rebecca Brand. Like this video and make a comment and let me know what you want me to review next. I'll research the internet and find it for you. Ring the bell above to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe for amazing rainbow lighting. You don't need sun and rain now to bring the rainbow of life into your own house. If you like this video on technology, here's some more cool things right over there.